Hey guys, Jess here. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are already a part of the family, I'd like to thank you very much. However, for those of you that are not yet a part of the family, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell as well. Today, we will be doing a headband wig tutorial. So this will be step by step, and by the time you guys see me at the end of this video, I will have an entirely different look. So without further ado, I will not hold you any longer. And welcome back to the voiceovers. So after watching a couple tutorials on YouTube from some lovely ladies, which I will drop their names bottom right, I decided to take a plunge to make my own headband wig. So you guys just saw me cut mine in half. I got these from Amazon. Everything will be linked for your pleasure, or in case you want to get the headbands yourself. And so what I'm doing is attaching the inside of the headband with the seams showing to the outer perimeter, entirely to the outer perimeter of this cap. And I will just be chiming in as needed for all of the details. And I did sew that back up because it did wind up kind of crooked. And that is me demonstrating how it will look with the hair. Speaking of the hair, that is Janet Collections Ocean Wave in color 1 and number 4. So of course I'm going to start by putting my crochet needle into the cap with the hair. And I started initially by going around the perimeter at the bottom you guys are seeing. And I just kept working my way around in a circle until I was done. And as you guys can see, I have gotten a little bit done. I have hair here around the perimeter. It's not even, so that little OCD in me just I had to work through it. Okay. But ultimately you can see where the colors are coming together and they're not looking solid and opaque and not natural. They are looking as if this hair was naturally just this color, and that's the effect that I wanted to give off. Alright, so I want you guys to get a closer look, so I did tilt this on my wig tripod for you guys to see me at this stage of this process where I'm nearing completion, and this is me at the top part of the dome cap, the mesh dome cap. So what I'm doing is I'm putting in hair in these, not small sections, they're medium-sized sections I like to call, and I'm just staggering and spreading them out much further than I would if I were to make a lace closure or a crochet wig with a lace parting. And I do this until I get to the top part of the wig here. And in a little bit, you guys will see me get into detangling here and cutting and layering the hair for the final result. And this is the final result. Those glasses as well. Yeah. Time for a new pair. So overall, when it comes to this headband wig, this hair is pretty soft. I do wish I would have added more hair to this because at the top it is a bit sparse and you can still see some of the cap. I have started my collection officially. You're not good with lace wigs, even if you are good with lace wigs, and you just want to try something different and have a little bit of your hair out and you got a little bit of edge action, then these headband wigs are absolutely perfect. The fact that I'm doing this means I have to go ahead and add more hair, so I won't be looking, my wig cap won't be looking bald as a bald eagle. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to make a headband wig using the crochet method. And until next time and until the next video,